that intro video.
Player, you ain't no 사람 잘못 골랐어 말해봐 보고 위에만 뜯어졌어 해 여왕 barber처럼 한번
누르고 말하고 떼고 답할 때까지 기다리면 돼.
아 오케이 오케이 여러분 지금 리셋 들어갑니다 사실 여기 있는데 왜 그렇게 되잖아
누구야?
감독님들이랑 구경하는 거 같아.
네, 사랑합니다.
오케이, 됐어요. 감사합니다. 와, 궁금해. 저건 진짜 재밌어. 올라갔나?
It's literally pure evil, you idea. Coming right your way, it's like whipping me. Take my life away, no empathy, but it's nightmare of NOP. Y'all never learn, cause you ain't got down. I just wanna say shout out Blackpink right quick. Hey, run on one show right quick, let's go up.
When we raised the icon children, you was raised in an icon village to work hard to raise the icon ceiling. One day I'ma hand you all the icon billing, bounce, and I'ma be your icon children.
Yeah, like I said, I love Feel This Love. And I love, I can't wait to hear the doo-doo.
That was the first song.
Oh yeah, okay, alright. I'm gonna take
Pleasure. Nice to meet you. You're going on now, right?
Yeah, we were like, no, we're watching.
Congrats on everything, though. You guys are blowing up. Couple.
Let's go, baby. Coachella 2019.
Blackpink in your area.
Let's
go.
Yes.
Let's have fun, okay? 하나, 둘, 셋.
제니 롤레 저쪽.
Starting from the forum in LA, so if any of you guys are coming, I'll be excited to see you guys. And to be here tonight at Coachella means so much to us, and I just can't thank you enough. We love you guys. Obviously, you guys and us, well, we're from totally different worlds, but tonight I think been one so deeply that music brings us as one. And so I'd like to thank you guys tonight. I think I'll remember today for the rest of my life. I hope to see you all again. We love you!
Good job, ladies. Thank you. So what do you think?
What day is it? You just showed up. Okay, it's like.